Hello everyone, in today's video in my YouTube channel we will discuss about symptoms of bad knock sensor. What is a knock sensor? What is it doing in the car? Knock sensor, also known as a detonation sensor, is a device used in internal combustion engines to detect engine knock or detonation. Engine knock is a metallic knocking or pinging sound caused by premature combustion of the air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders. This can occur due to a variety of factors, such as poor fuel quality, high engine temperatures, or excessive engine timing. Knock sensors are typically mounted on the engine block or cylinder head. They use a piezoelectric element to convert the high-frequency vibrations caused by engine knock into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent to the engine control module (ECM), which uses it to adjust the ignition timing and prevent further engine knock. Knock sensors are an important part of modern engine management systems. They help to protect engines from damage, maintain their performance, and reduce emissions. They also help to increase the engine's lifespan and improve fuel economy. Here are some of the benefits of using knock sensors. 1. Protects the engine from damage. Engine knock can cause serious damage to the engine, including cracked pistons, broken rings, and damaged valves. Knock sensors can help to prevent this damage by detecting engine knock and adjusting the ignition timing to prevent it from occurring. 2. Maintains engine performance. Engine knock can cause a loss of power and efficiency. Knock sensors can help to maintain engine performance by detecting engine knock and adjusting the ignition timing to optimize combustion. 3. Reduces emissions. Engine knock can cause an increase in emissions. Knock sensors can help to reduce emissions by detecting engine knock and adjusting the ignition timing to optimize combustion. 4. Increases engine lifespan. By protecting the engine from damage, maintaining engine performance, and reducing emissions, knock sensors can help to increase the engine's lifespan. 5. Improves fuel economy. By optimizing combustion, knock sensors can help to improve fuel economy. There are two main types of knock sensors. 1. Piezoelectric. These are the most common type of knock sensor. They use a piezoelectric element, which generates an electrical signal when it is subjected to mechanical stress. The electrical signal is proportional to the force of the stress, so the sensor can detect the high-frequency vibrations caused by engine knock. 2. Resonant. These knock sensors use a resonant element, which is tuned to vibrate at a specific frequency. When the engine knocks, the resonant element vibrates at a higher frequency, which generates an electrical signal. The symptoms of a bad knock engine sensor can vary depending on the specific vehicle and engine. However, some common symptoms include, Number 1. Engine knocking or pinging. A bad knock sensor may cause the engine to produce knocking or pinging sounds, especially during acceleration or under load. This can indicate that the engine is not properly adjusting the timing to prevent knocking. Number 2. Loss of power or acceleration. A faulty knock sensor may lead to a decrease in engine performance, resulting in a loss of power or acceleration. The engine may feel sluggish or struggle to reach higher speeds. Number 3. Poor fuel economy. If the knock sensor is not functioning correctly, it may cause the engine to run inefficiently, leading to decreased fuel economy. This can result in more frequent trips to the gas station and higher fuel costs. Number 4. Illuminated check engine light. In many cases, a malfunctioning knock sensor will trigger the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, causing the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard. This is often accompanied by a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, related to the knock sensor. Number 5. Rough idle. A bad knock sensor can cause the engine to have an irregular or rough idle, with noticeable vibrations or fluctuations in RPMs when the vehicle is at a stop. Number 6. Engine misfires. If the knock sensor is not accurately detecting engine knocking, it may lead to misfires, where one or more cylinders fail to ignite properly. This can result in a rough-running engine and potentially damage the catalytic converter. If you suspect a problem with your knock engine sensor, it is recommended to have your vehicle inspected and diagnosed by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to accurately diagnose the issue and recommend any necessary repairs or replacements. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button.